The swearing-in ceremony for 4 ministers as cabinet ministers in the Council of Ministers headed by Chief Minister Zoramthanga was held today at 11 a.m. at the circular lawn of the Raj Bhavan. The Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhapati administered the oath of office and secrecy to the 4 ministers, cabinet ministers K. Lalrian Liana, Lal Chandama Ralte, Pul Lal Ruatkima and E.R. Lalrinauma. The swearing-in ceremony started after the Chief Secretary Dr. Renu Sharma sought the permission for the proceedings to begin from the Governor. Thereafter, the Governor administered the oath of office and secrecy to the 4 ministers. Today's swearing-in ceremony was attended by Chief Minister Zoramthanga, Deputy Chief Minister Taulia, Speaker of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly, Lalrian Liana Silo, other ministers, MLAs and a host of other dignitaries and high-ranking officials. K. Lalriana, Lal Chandama Ralte and Lal Ruatkima were elevated as cabinet ministers from ministers of state and will continue to hold their current ministerial portfolios. Pul Lalrinauma, who recently resigned as Deputy Speaker of Mizoram Legislative Assembly, is the only new face in the Council of Ministers and has been allocated the ministerial portfolios of social welfare and tribal welfares, excise and narcotics, sericulture and animal husbandry and veterinary departments.